There is a wide rural-urban divide in healthcare delivery, and it is more pronounced in resource-constrained settings. Clinicians with advanced training and medical technology are often only found in the large cities. As a result, diagnosis and treatment are often delayed for those who live in remote villages, leading to worse outcomes and more costly care.
Beyond this lie bigger health systems problems. In these places, care provision is fragmented, with healthcare providers working largely independently. There is also a lack of process standardization, resulting in care that is very ad hoc. Finally, there exists a weak system for quality assurance and improvement.
SAAna was born with the goal of addressing these problems. It is a volunteer organization hosted by the Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory at MIT and consists of doctors, informaticians, engineers, public health experts, business entrepreneurs, and social scientists. We are brought together by a mission to improve quality of care in resource-poor settings using an open-source cell phone-based telehealth software.
The SAAna platform allows capture and transmission of any type of medical data, for example, text, images such as photo and ECG, audio sounds such as lung sounds, video such as ultrasound, through cellular networks to a back-end electronic medical record system. A remote expert can then access the patient data and provide real-time decision support to frontline community healthcare workers. The software allows embedding of decision trees, protocols, and checklists to assist semi-trained CHWs with triage, diagnosis, and treatment.
From a systems level, electronic data capture facilitates care coordination, process standardization, quality monitoring, and improvement. Finally, the database built with the use of the system will provide the raw materials to build population-specific machine learning and image analysis algorithms. Once validated, these tools can be downloaded onto the phones, thus reducing the need for real-time expert opinion and allowing project scale up without requiring more doctors and nurses.
But early on in our operations, we learned some critical lessons. Technology won't fix broken health system. An information system without an accompanying cultural transformation will only reinforce the same failed processes.
Innovations need to address gaps in quality, otherwise they won't scale or sustain. The goal of innovation should be quality improvement in healthcare, and this can only be achieved through a multidisciplinary and collaborative approach.
So capacity building for SAAna, we seek to promote a collaborative ecosystem to incubate, deploy, and scale eHealth solutions. So the goal, therefore, is shifted from one that is technology focused to a capacity building exercise. We help create and sustain collaborative ecosystems that incubate, implement, and scale eHealth solutions. And we like to think of ourselves as advocating grassroots project support and accountability amongst our partners, and to share with them what we learned at MIT and at Harvard. So the overall SAAna approach is therefore to build on partnerships with local implementers. These may be universities, governments, NGOs, or private businesses, and our partners identify the gap in quality that they want to address.
We then work with them in either creating a new clinical application or customizing an existing one. We assist with the iterative system and workflow, redesign towards a pilot study, and, if successful, a subsequent scale-up. We emphasize the importance of monitoring and evaluation of processes, structure, and clinical outcomes. Cost-effectiveness analysis are performed in order to estimate the return on investment from the adoption of the technology. Finally, we document and disseminate the lessons we learn from every implementation and help establish eHealth best practices.
In summary, SAAna uses an interdisciplinary and collaborative model that enables 1. Technical innovation based on an open source platform, 2. Business innovation based on models designed and tested with our partner organizations, and 3. Development of value-creating networks by coalitions of local and international academic and provider organizations to pool resources and share best practice. Thank you for your interest in SAAna.